Hot Shot Secret's Stiction Eliminator is an engine oil treatment engineered to remove the sludge and varnish created from burnt oil inside your engine, while also lubricating to protect engine components from wear. Stiction is the term for sticky varnish caused by the breakdown and oxidation of oil over time. Stiction causes longer turbo spool times, loss of compression due to sticking rings, and increased wear due to additional friction in the engine. Stiction Eliminator is a unique blend of synthetic cleaners and a proprietary carbon nano lubricant that removes harmful stiction and lubricates components inside your engine, including turbochargers, oil pumps, piston rings, HUE injectors, and more. It is scientifically proven to remove stiction in all gasoline and diesel engines, reduce engine wear up to 62% through friction reduction, restore compression by increasing film strength, and increase fuel economy up to 4%. Both an engine restorative and a nano lubricant, Stiction Eliminator is guaranteed to clean and protect your engine or your money back. Hot Shot Secret, powered by science.